Each assignment should be entirely graded immediately after the deadline. All the assignments are uploaded in the folder named after the code given to the students. From your subject to Google Sheet, you can look for the title and open the folder from there. Most of the images and videos can be opened there. If not, right-click on the file and download to open it locally. You can also download the whole folder by clicking on it and select Download. Once it's downloaded, simply unzip it. In Hyperplanning, open the Grading section, Entry of Grades. Click on Create a Test. Enter the title of the assignment in the field Commentary and press Create. A new column is created. The title will appear if you hover over its header. Enter a grade for each student, including those who haven't submitted. Press the green floppy disk icon to validate your entries. You can change these grades later. It's important to select 2 to 5 best works for each assignment immediately after the grading. Open the subject Google Sheet, click on the Folders tab. Click on Update to make sure all the files are listed here. Mark the checkbox on the left of the selected best works. Click on Validate Best. The best works will now appear in purple. If you made a mistake, contact École Intuit lab staff to remove it from best work selection.